Welcome to this session on the User Experience Concept document. In this session, we'll discuss the topics that should be captured and documented as part of the User Experience Concept. This includes the user experience approach, the mockups and how they'll be tested, and as always, once the user experience concepts are ready, how they'll be validated with the business. The user experience concept is where we begin mapping the new digital experience. The user experience approach is what takes us from the user experience to the point where we can describe and define the user interface. We start by understanding the user by doing business analysis and user research. Then we start to materialize the design. To accomplish this, we'll build mockups, both as wireframes and high-fidelity designs. And these will allow us to start envisioning a solution. This solution will then serve as the basis for the discussions and as the groundwork to fully explore the digital experience. Now, what mockups should be built? We can't create mockups for the complete solution, so we need to make some decisions about which mockups we should build. We need to be able to show what the solution is going to look like. And we need to show the user experience and what the user interface will be. And these mockups are going to serve as the basis for the discussion and analysis that we're going to do. So it's important to have mockups that describe the solution, but we may also choose to create mockups based on other criteria, like which mockups can add the most value, which ones are the most used use cases, or show off the layout or navigation the best. We may choose a few mockups for wow factor, showing cool innovations or out-of-the-box solutions. And we may choose mockups to display new concepts that might need more testing or be able to show a new way forward for the business. Now, when building mockups, we need to pay attention to the context in which they will be used. There are very important details that we need to keep in mind, like, do the mockups need to be mobile or just responsive? What's the use case and the context where each mockup is going to be used? Is this a business-to-employee or a business-to-consumer app? Because digital operations tend to be very different than a digital experience solution. And we need to understand the interaction with other systems so that the screens don't get used out of context. We need to know if they're going to be used as standalone applications or as part of an intranet app or maybe together with other systems. So once the mockups are ready, we'll need to test the mockups. We want to use real key users, and ideally, these users should not have been part of the analysis phase. This is to make sure that we have a fresh set of eyes looking at the mockups and giving us feedback. This also allows the business to participate. Being part of the user tests is a great way to show other parts of the business the value of the user experience process. We also want to use results to improve the mockups. Sometimes it's at this stage that different issues are raised or important details are identified and can be understood better. So testing mockups with users will actually improve our analysis. Then we can create high-fidelity mockups. High-fidelity mockups should be beautiful. They should apply real branding and show an understanding of the mockup's context, such as, is this a global design, or is this part of an application ecosystem where the application needs to fit in? Good design will improve usability, so we want to make sure that the mockups look great, and that way the real solution will look great. Beautiful mockups also create excitement because people will like how they look and they get excited about the new app in general. Alignment is key to the business vision. So we wish to make sure that the customer is aligned with the user experience concept that we're trying to build. The user experience concept is the most impactful deliverable of the business vision. It makes the proposed solution real, and when done well, can make the key users wish they already had the application. Given how important the user experience concept is, we wish to make sure that the business is aligned with the user experience concept before presenting it. So that's it for the user experience concept. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.